Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to sell digital products on WordPress. So first is go to SiteGrounds and then connect your WordPress. So from there, you want to go to the WordPress admin once you have done those two things, and then setting up your digital downloads is going to be easy. So you want to go to download and settings, and then you want your base country right here to set it to the right place. Setting up your payment gateway, of course, you can do Stripe or crypto. We have videos on those, so go check those out if you have any trouble on doing so. So next is downloads the payments, the gateways, and then you have to choose one. So next is going here. So once you've done that, you want to choose your gateway, of course. Then, of course, once you've done that, you can connect with Stripe or cryptocurrency or other things. So next is the general currency. It's going to be dollars if you wanted dollars, or your local currency. Now you want to add new. So add new download like an awesome ebook, for example, right here, like a category, of course, you have the permalink and you can add those. Then you want to configure it all, download the prices, and then from there, the download files will be right here so that you'll be able to give the digital product in WordPress. So once you've done that, you have to set a download image and download notes, and now you have an ebook, for example, right here, which is easy to purchase for $5, which is going to be convenient for the client because they will get it right away when they buy it. So there you go, guys. That is how you actually sell digital products on your WordPress in easy as one, two, three, and there you go. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.